it's Lisa. In today's video, I want to make some nails using nail products. I was looking through all my nail stuff. It's stuff I don't use, and I was about to throw it away. And then I was thinking, I can actually use these. So I have these two nail files. One has flowers on it, this design. The other is silver glitter, and then these stripes. This side's pretty beat up. I mean, I could use just a single color. We'll see. And then I have this old dust brush that I don't use anymore. And on my stamping plates, when I was looking, one of them has this like pearl white paper, plastic, whatever. So I was thinking maybe I can use that too. All right, so let's get started and see what I come up with. So first I'm gonna start by trying to take this file apart. I'm gonna try cutting it with my cuticle nippers. See how this works out. I don't need that much of it because I'm just gonna do, you know, the extension with it. If you see, you can kind of separate it. I'm just digging my tweezers in there to separate one side off to make this thinner so I can work with it. So the nails on this hand I'm working with aren't very big. So I'm just gonna do, I could just do something like that, maybe. I'm gonna need the gel. Ideally, probably acrylic will be better, but I haven't used acrylic in a lot of years, so I won't be using that. Okay, are you ready? Prepped my nail tips here. Now I'm going to put on the primer. Start with this middle finger. Okay, so yeah, like I said, I'm going to start off with using clear gel to try to attach this. Hopefully that'll work. I'll be using IBD hard gel. This file has like a hard plastic in between. Obviously that's what keeps its shape. Trying to see what the best way would be. So I want to cover from side to side. I'm going to cut some pieces from here. And now this works perfect because it just so happened to work out this way that this nail file and this nail duster has the same colors in it. Blue, green, purple, pink. They all have exactly the same colors. So this will look great to do an accent nail with. So I'm just going to cut off some chunks. Some pink. Get some green and blue. Do I have purple? Let's get some purple just in case. I'm going to take the hard gel, clear. I want to put on a nice thin coat. Kind of blend that in over there. Okay. Take my tweezers. I'm going to pick up some of the pink. Push that on. Push that on. Put it over here. Bring it down a little. Okay. I'll leave that a little thicker over there. I want to try to put this on as even as possible so I have less work at the filing stage. I'm gonna push it down. I think that should be good. I'm gonna cure it. Let me see, hopefully this stuck. Yeah, that stuck. So I do want to try using this paper. So let's just cut this off. So after I cut that, I can see that I can open this up. So maybe that'll be better to get this white film out. Yeah, and I can just pull that other plastic off of it. Okay, so I might use glue for that too. Let's see. Just put glue right on the nail. Stick that on. You just want to hold it down for a couple of seconds until it dries. So I'll just have to trim that up. And I really want to use this glitter because that's perfect. I'm going to pull this apart. Okay, so I got my scissors, which is what I should have been using all along. Let's see. I'm going to cover sidewall to sidewall. Yeah, this will work. I think I'm going to use glue again. I am just going to roll it kind of as best as I can. Now I'm going to glue this on. Make sure that sidewall's lined up. And this one. Get my tweezers. If I can hold that down. That looks good. Okay. Okay, this is going to be much better than what I have on right now. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, cool. That came off pretty easily. So we're going to try that again. Round 2. Put on your glue. Okay. Trim off the excess. And just flip her upside down. Trim off the excess here. Okay, so this is what it all looks like before I add the hard gel. So this one was from this nail file. This finger from my dust brush. And I took out the pearly white plastic from my template packaging. So I'm going to get started with this finger. I'm going to do a thin layer first, keeping it away from the cuticle. Now I'm going to pick up a bigger bead and encapsulate. Give that a cure. Now moving on to this finger. We're going to do the exact same thing for all fingers. Now for filing, I may use my nail drill. So I'm back after filing. I'm just going to put on the top coat. Yep. And we'll get the reveal of how the nail files, the dust brush, and the nail product packaging turned out. That's the first nail. That is the sparkly file. This is the nail file with the flower pattern. That's how that's looking. Okay. Now we have the rainbow dust brush bristles. And on the pinky, we have the nail product packaging. Let me just give these all a cure. I think I want to add just a little bling to the top clear section with this silver sparkly nail polish. Just one finger. Just two. Now I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to try to like ombre out the glitter a bit. I want to keep it heavy on the top. Okay. Okay, so here's the finished look. And again, using nail files on these two fingers, rainbow dust brush on this one, and a piece of packaging on this finger. So this video was really fun. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give it a like, and I'll see you for my next video. Thank you. Bye.